Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to specify the tolerance in the dimensions. Go to the annotation tab, select the small dimension option. I am just selecting the two horizontal lines to specify the height where I want to use the tolerance option. Go to the tolerance and position tab, select the drop down list to select the type of tolerance. I just select the symmetric type of tolerance where my both upper and lower limit are remain same. I just specify the symmetric value in tolerance, then click OK. After that I am going to use bilateral tolerance. Select the small dimension option, specify the entity which you want to give dimension, then go to the drop down list of tolerance and position and select the bilateral option where you can able to specify different upper and lower limit. So this is a major difference between bilateral and symmetric tolerance. Then one more type we are going to learn is limit tolerance option. So go to the small dimension and select the entity which you want to make dimensions. Then go to the drop down list of tolerance and position, select the limit option where you can specify the upper and lower limit range with base value. So here my base value is 47, so you can add the upper and lower limit based on your requirement. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watch more videos.